Today, I want to show you how to replace the battery on your Toyota fob. If you have something similar to this is how you do it. The first step would be, so pull it, and then this part will come out. As simple as that. Check this out. Alan, what do you think, buddy? Isn't it cool?
Yeah, I think it's cool.
This is like a secret little what? Manual key. So if the battery dies on this is a little secret manual key. This part right here has a little hole for you so you can pry it open. Take the key like this, put it right here, and it will come off easily, just like that. And once you open it, it'll come.
There's the battery.
And there's the battery. And once you take the battery out, you can replace it with a new one.
And then you put all of the things together.
Put everything back. But the coolest thing is this, right, Alan?
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a like.
And if you really like this video, subscribe.
Thank you guys.